You're listening to the Journal Party podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that until we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today as living proof that the power of positive thinking can turn even the most ordinary life into a grand adventure. Actually, I'm sitting down. But that's neither here nor there. You see, our minds are like remote controls, and with the right mindset, you can switch channels from doom and gloom to sunshine and rainbows in an instant. Remember, the universe is like a friendly waiter at your favorite restaurant, eager to serve up whatever you order. So why not order up a heaping plate of success and happiness? Now, I'm not saying that by simply smiling and wishing upon a star, all your dreams will come true, but it's a great start. It's time to become the CEO of your own life and make positivity your top executive. Just imagine if every time life handed you lemons, you had a built-in lemonade factory ready to go. That's the power of positive thinking. So, dear journalers, I challenge you to embrace the notion that you hold the pen that writes the story of your life. With every stroke, create a tale that's filled with laughter, joy, and resilience. And remember, when life gets tough, just tell yourself, I've got this, because trust me, you do. Now, let's turn those frowns upside down and make the world a brighter place, one positive thought at a time. Today, we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts for positivity. Open up to a fresh page in your journal and let's go. Alrighty. Happiness can be found in the smallest things. A warm cup of coffee, a hug from a loved one, or even a sunny day. Start your journaling process by reflecting on what brings happiness to your day. This prompt awakens a sense of gratitude that heals the negativity in your mind and helps you to focus on the good in your life. So the first prompt of the day is, what's one thing that makes you happy today? What's one thing that makes you happy today? When we're in a negative slump, we tend to lose sight of the future and start to see it as a scary and uncertain place. This prompt is all about planning. It's about finding something to look forward to, whether a week from now or months down the line. This gives you a sense of purpose, renewed energy, and an optimistic view of what's to come. Your next prompt is, what's one thing you're looking forward to? What's one thing you're looking forward to? Sometimes it's so easy to get stuck in our negative self-talk that we forget who we really are. This next prompt is your chance to write positive affirmations for yourself and reprogram your mind with feelings of self-love, confidence, and gratitude. Use language that makes you feel empowered and uplifted, such as, I am worthy of love and acceptance, or I am capable of achieving my goals. These affirmations will become the foundation of your happiness and positive thinking. Quick little pro tip here. When it comes to affirmations, we're trying to cultivate certain beliefs so that we subconsciously fulfill them. If you don't believe what you're affirming, it can be challenging to get into the right feeling state, which is sort of the point. So I'm not saying not to think big. I'll always encourage you to dream big for yourself. But if your affirmation feels a little out of reach, one of the things that I like to do is replace the words I am with I allow myself to. So for example, instead of I am living in wealth and abundance, which you may or may not really believe, you could say, I allow myself to live in wealth and abundance. It's a bit of a stepping stone to make the ideal state of being a bit more accessible. So give that a shot and let me know what you think. So the third prompt of the day is write 3 positive affirmations for yourself. Write 3 positive affirmations for yourself. Gratitude is a powerful practice known to improve mental health and increase positivity. This next prompt is simply an invitation to reflect on the blessings in your life. Take the time to write down everything you're grateful for, no matter how insignificant it may seem. It could be the roof over your head, the food on your table, or the clothes on your back. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and watch as your life transforms. Your fourth prompt of the day is list the things that you're grateful for. List the things you're grateful for. So, remember before when I said I'll always encourage you to dream big? Well, this last prompt is all about dreaming big and imagining the life that you've always wanted. Sometimes we get so caught up in negativity that we forget about the possibilities that exist for us. Write down precisely what you want to change in your life, no matter how impossible it may seem. This is an exercise in opening yourself up to the opportunities that lie ahead. So the fifth and final prompt of the day is, if you could wave a magic wand, what would you change in your life? If you could wave a magic wand, what would you change in your life? Bow chicka bow bow. Good job, party people. Hopefully you're starting to feel how journaling can be a powerful tool that has the potential to transform your life. The prompts that we've presented here are just the beginning of your journey to positivity and happiness. Now, obviously, journaling is not a cure-all, but it certainly is a great start. So I'd like to challenge you to take time to journal for yourself every day, even if it's just for a few minutes, and watch as your mind and your life become more positive and joy-filled. So speaking of challenges, for a limited time, we've made our 7-day daily journaling challenge a pay-what-you-want program. So you can name your own price for it, and you can join us for as little as $1 and get a new guided journaling video every day from me for a week, as well as get access to our supportive community for inspiration and accountability. The challenge is a little bit different than what we do here on the podcast. It's much more mellow and soothing with nature sounds and what I like to call my morning voice. So I think you'll really like it. And if you've been trying to get more consistent with your journaling, this is the way. Absolutely. So check that out at challenge.journalparty.com. I've got the link in the show notes as well. It's time to take control of your thoughts and live your best life yet, and I would just be honored to be a part of that. So check it out. And that's our show, folks. So thank you so much for journaling with us. Hit me up on Twitter and Instagram at JournalPartyOMG, or even better, join our private Facebook group. I got the link in the show notes, and I would love to hear your thoughts, and please send in your requests for different prompt themes. Also, be sure to check out our mobile guided journaling app, available on the Apple App Store and Google Play. Just search Journal Party or check the show notes for the link. There's a bunch of guided journaling programs on there and a growing community of pen to paper journalers, and we'd absolutely love to have you, and I think you'll really enjoy it. And if you really enjoyed today's show, please consider leaving a review and spreading the word so that we can make this an even bigger party next week. And I hope you have a wonderful week this week. Party on.